Hi, welcome to the first lecture of C programming language. Today we are going to discuss a little bit about C programming language. Okay, what is C programming language? Just like any other language which is used to communicate between any two humans, C is also a similar kind of a language, but instead of being used between two humans, it is used between the communication of human and computers. So basically, if we categorize the languages that are used between computers and humans to communicate, they fall under two categories known as high level language and low level language. And C is a type of an high level language. So since we know that every programming language or every language has its own grammar, in a very similar fashion, C programming language has also its own syntax, or in other words known as its own set of grammar. It is also known as a very powerful language, and as we know that Dennis Ritchie is the inventor of C programming language. So let's begin with the basic introduction of C, the practical work, how C is run, and I will be using the Dev C++ compiler in order to show you the laboratory works. Okay, file, source file. Let us start with a hello world program. These are known as header files. Void main. Let's save this program. In order to save this program, I'll create a new folder, name it as C, and type the name 1.c and save it. Okay, now let's discuss what this program does. The execution of the program starts from this very first line, and the word printf is a library function which is defined inside the header file stdio.h. So basically what it does is it outputs the word which is enclosed between these two inverted commas into the screen, and the getCS function holds the screen until any key is pressed. Let us run the program and see what does its output come. Okay. So this is basically the output of the very program which is written in our first lecture. So hello world is the string which has been enclosed between these two double inverted commas. So this is the grammar of C programming language. Void main curly bracket is start, which indicates the start of any procedure, and the terminating curly braces indicates the ending of an procedure. So we'll be discussing in detail what does this void stands for, but in our further classes. So for the first lecture, we have concluded that what the printf function does in C programming language. Basically, printf function is used to display anything which has been enclosed within the two inverted commas. So this is for the first lecture and hope to see you in the second lecture.